Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook attachments if it's not showing in emails. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I'm going to be doing this one using Outlook Classic. Okay, so go ahead and open up Outlook Classic and then go ahead over to File right here. Then click on Options at the very bottom. And then in here, go ahead over to Trust Center and just click on Trust Center Settings. Go ahead and find Attachment Handling and make sure that this one, Turn Off Attachment Preview, is unticked or disabled. Once done, just click on OK. Now go back to the left panel and then just click on Mail. In here, there will be this option that says change the editing settings for messages. Make sure that HTML is selected and then just click on OK. Now it's asking you your settings are everywhere. Outlook now stores your settings in the cloud. Whether you open up Outlook Classic or Outlook newer version, your settings will be tied. Okay, so just click on Got it. Now another way to look for attachments for Outlook. So I'm currently using a newer version of Outlook right here because my Classic is still updating. Okay, so right click on the message. Now go ahead and find related messages in this conversation. Okay, and sometimes you'll be able to see attachments in here or in the right panel. All right, and that is how you fix Outlook if attachments are not showing in your emails. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.